What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today I will be installing this unit from BGM Hair. They sent me this beautiful 24-inch lace front wig and it has a clear lace. If you guys are interested in this unit, use my code that will be linked down below for y'all to get a discount. Now let's go ahead and install. All right, you guys, so they sent me this 24 lace front wig, you guys. I'm about to take it out the bag and show y'all straight out the bag here before I put any product on it. I love me a curly unit because, I don't know, I'm just a curly head. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. So here is the unit. And it's by BGMgirl. Look how soft it is, y'all. It's super soft, no shedding. And I'm about to show it to you guys right on my head. Ooh. Y'all. Girl, this is so me. As you guys see, it's already have a part down the middle. I'm gonna fix my wig cap and cut the lace off, you guys. So, look how curly this is. This is beautiful. And it does, like I said, clear lace, okay? Baby, clear lace. And I'm about to show y'all what clear lace looks like. And then they sent me this cute little headband to go with this. Girl, that is so pretty. Okay. Let me go ahead and cut the lace and give y'all, oh my goodness, y'all, I'm in love. I'm in love with this one, okay? It's so soft too. All right, I'm about to cut the lace.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations, too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Alright, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this hair tutorial. I will have it linked down below for y'all to get a bit of a discount. I love y'all, and yeah, go and get y'all a unit. It is super soft, super beautiful, and it's easy on the go hair, you guys. You don't have to do much to it. Just prop it on your head and go. I love units like this because sometimes I just don't want to glue it down. You can also glue it down, of course, but I went ahead and just did not glue it down, and it's giving everything. Do y'all see what it's giving? It's giving, okay? All right, y'all, like I said, everything will be linked down below for y'all. Go get y'all one.